South Africa, where on Sunday, the South African President Jacob Zuma said his country's foreign policy regarding the Central African Republic will remain unchanged. That statement followed a meeting with a top-level delegation led by the Prime Minister of the CAR, Nicolas Tiangaye. Both leaders sat down to clarify a number of issues, among them the recognition by South Africa of the Central African Republic's transitional government. The country's ousted leader, Francois Bozize, appointed Tiangaye, a lawyer and a human rights activist, as Prime Minister in January, following a Libreville ceasefire agreement. Tiangaye kept his post when Seleka rebels seized power in March, and now he will work with the transitional government to prepare the country for elections within 18 months. Tiangaye also offered condolences for the deaths of 13 South African soldiers on the 23rd of March, saying he regretted South Africa's relations with Bozize had been more, and I quote here, personalised, end of quote. He hoped that his visit would mark the beginning of a new phase in the relationship between the two countries.